This is what real emotional intelligence is, that things are not going to be the way we expect them to be. And in those situations, how we, uh, be ourselves without losing who we are is what emotional intelligence is all about. Yeah.
Exactly.
We derive our sense of personality, our sense of confidence, our sense of who we are from the things that we have. What we are trying to say is that when we derive who we are from external things, that is maybe a car or maybe a bungalow, maybe our family name, then we are unable to operate from the center, from our being, like human being, that being we are talking about. When that being is uh, not functional, we function from conditioned responses that is already there, stored in our minds. So we react to life. We become comparative. We start comparing with people. We start seeing what other people have. We start judging others because we are judging ourselves all the time. Feedback, people say that, Shashank, you're an idiot. He actually analyzes, and if he feels that yes, there are certain areas where I am a dumb, like all this technical hitches, I'm completely a dumbo over here. You have seen me demonstrating that right now. So the idea is that when we are able to identify the blind spots which other people keep on telling us, we can make changes in ourselves. Yeah. But the problem, what happens is that in, instead of listening to people, we keep on justifying who we are. Yeah. So now the idea is, how does one tap into that vibrancy mode, as she said, that how can we become vibrant, full of energy? How do we tap into that? Important that we are socially accepted, right? Isn't it that we are unaccepted when we try to be accepted? We overdo it. We try to please people. And when we are trying to do that, we are not being who we are. So we lose our genuineness, which connects with people. So now I am operating intellectually. I am with my all good manners, and I am not connecting with people. I am connecting with mannerisms. I am connecting with people intellectually. Hi, how are you? Oh, what a nice car. Oh, what a nice shirt. Oh, you're doing so well. I'm doing so well. But deep down, I'm eating my heart because I'm not feeling comfortable, because I am not speaking from who I am. I'm not saying that being yourself means that you start using abusive language. You mess up with your tonality of your voice. You mess up with your body language. You don't wear appropriate clothes. I'm not saying that.
No.
I am simply saying that can can I can I can I speak my truth? Can I be honest that, listen, hey, this is who I am, like it or leave it? I feel deep down from inside without turning and twisting so that people accept me. And then whatever I get, I'll take it. In the process of doing that, I will establish my credibility. You know what's credibility?
Very true.
Overnight, like, like that. To establish credibility, it's like an ongoing journey. All the time you have to be like, you cannot speak badly with an auto rickshaw driver or your mate or your security guard, and you speak, आप लेट ही गए, कोई बड़ा आदमी आया तो मतलब, like that. Please understand what I'm saying. And you have to be aware all the time, even when nobody is looking at you. When nobody is looking at you, what exactly are you doing at that time? That will make your moral fiber. You know what is moral fiber?
Yeah.
People exists in your listening. Mother, you have your father, but they exist in your experience. Maybe
Right.
your parents are not the way to their friends or to their parents as they are to you. Not talking to people, we are talking to the images that we have about the people. Am I making myself clear? I don't have relationship with people. I'll give you a small example. You guys are all students, right? Now, for example, one of your teachers scolded you or your father scolded you, a few days back. Yeah. And when you go back after 10 days and you look at your father or your teacher, the whole psychological paraphernalia from the memory, इन्होंने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया था. That situation doesn't exist. Where is it actually existing? What is the brain, the function of the brain? Apart from digestive system and all that system. I'm not talking about that. Our concern is the mind. A mind is nothing but a recording system. So I am recording all the hurts. Am I making hurt? Who Shashank is a bundle of hurt and hatred, and his whole personality is to defend that next time somebody like that person doesn't hurt me. So I don't want to be vulnerable now. I build a wall around myself so that I don't come close to people now. Yeah. Why people don't have love affairs? They don't love, that's why we go and watch that gentleman on the thing. मुझे आदत हो गई देखने की. मैं हर चीज देखता हूँ. क्रिकेट मैच देखता हूँ, फुटबॉल मैच देखता हूँ, घोड़े की रेस देखता हूँ. आपने कभी किसी घोड़े को देखा इंसान की रेस देखते हुए? सब दिखा, क्योंकि आंखें जो है ये these senses they take the data from outside. बाहर से देखते हैं, बाहर से खाते हैं, बाहर से सुनते हैं, बाहर फील करते हैं. तो हमारा जो पूरा ओरिएंटेशन है जिंदगी जीने का वो बाहर से हो गया, एक्सटर्नल. हम दूसरों की आंखों में देख लेते हैं कि सामने वाला मुझे कितनी इज्जत दे रहा है. एंड माय होल इंस्टेड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स अ रिएक्शन कम्स टू मीट दैट पर्सन.
ट्रू.
मैं समझा पा रहा हूं? This is what I'm doing with other people. So today the relationships, that's why relationships sucks actually. We are not happy in relationships. Majority of the people, if you look around, are in your own relationships, because that's the mirror.
Right.
We are experiencing and able to see ourselves. I want to look outside now. I'm already pretty conditioned there, where I keep on looking at outside. I keep on judging. I don't want to buy a shirt which will look good to other people. I don't want to buy a car to impress other people. I don't want to live in a massive house to impress other people. I'm saying that, can I operate from who I am? What are my needs? They make us greedy because they tell us, no, you have to be there. I'm not against, I'm not saying that we don't have to be ambitious and we don't have to, earn the money. I'm simply saying that I have experienced enough life and I've noticed that my sense of being, my sense of happiness is not coming from these things.